So we'll make that in this tutorial. So we will go to starter pack and create a tool, and inside that tool we will copy this model and paste it. We'll just ungroup this and we will name these handle, but the second one will name handle 2. Inside this handle we will add a weld, and we will weld the first handle and the second one. So let's just run the game and see what happens. So as you can see, we've got a tool that's kind of messed up, but we'll fix that. So we'll go to Patrick and then we'll find the tool so we can edit its grip. So orientation, it could be 90, no, minus 90 degrees. Okay, so it looks like this now. And then we'll add -1 here. Okay, and that's it. So let's just copy this, stop the game, delete this one, and then paste the original tool. We'll call this punch. So let's run it again, and we can see that we got a punch tool. Now what will we make is that whenever the player touches Q, that tool appears and punches the person in front of them. So in this handle we will add the local script, and we will add a script, and we will add a remote event. In the local script we will just make the event be called whenever the player touches Q. So local user import service game get service, and then user input service dot input began connect function key, if key dot key code is enum key code dot q. Then we will call the remote event, so script.parent dot remote event fire server, and in here we won't type anything. We need 2 equals here, and that's it. And in the script we will type script.parent dot remote event on server event. So when this script calls the event, this next script activates function player, and then when it activates, script.parent dot parent.parent.handle and script.parent.parent.handle 2 dot transparency will be equal to 0, and dot transparency will be equal to 0. So they will appear for the 4 seconds, and then they will disappear. So let's just make them transparent in here, and we will run the game. So here we are, we have a tool that is half transparent, and then when we click Q it appears, but I'll see what the problem is. We didn't set them both transparent, I guess. Okay, let's test it now. Okay, so we don't have anything, but when we click Q they appear, and then they disappear after 4 seconds. Now we gotta add the kill script, and we'll do that in this handle. We'll add a script, and this we will call kill script. So script.parent.touched whenever it is touched, and then we'll check if it is a player that touched it. Part.parent dot find first child named humanoid, and script.parent dot let me see how many parents. 1, 2, 3, I guess. Parent.name is not equal to part.parent.name, so we don't kill ourselves. And then part.parent.humanoid.health will be equal to 0, and this script won't be enabled. And in this 4 seconds we will enable the script. So script.parent.killScript.enable is equal to true, but after 4 seconds the script won't be active anymore. Let's test it now. Okay, so we're in the game, and then I click Q, and I don't see that anything has happened. Let's just check this. Humanoid, his health is actually 0, but it doesn't show us. So we'll just add a dummy from the toolbox. Okay, this one. Now let's go ahead and test it. Okay, we're in, and we get our punch tool and click Q, and then it kills the dummy. And then we'll click Q again, and then it kills this dummy too. And then it disappears. And that's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to punch that like button, get it? Because this is the punch tool. And make sure to subscribe. I hope this tutorial helped you. See you in the next one.